I assume you know who I am. You're just one packy agent. You won't change our plans. Your country is too important and dangerous. You see, I believe that your country poses a threat to the security of the world. You export terrorism and...
Dave, it was never about the terrorism. You were after our nuclear assets from day one.
Very good. How did you know?
I'm trained to know.
Hate to break it to you, old boy. The information's already been passed to our man in Pakistan, and there's nothing you can do to stop it.
I'll deal with them after I kill you.
You fucking packy. You think you can walk into my country and kill me?
I already have. David, you can't destroy Pakistan. Not on my watch.